Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Well, today is Monday and we have our unboxing of Cut Loose.
Welcome lovelies. Well, it's spring and spring has sprung and Cut Loose spring collection is in this box and it is out of this world. The colors,
Beautiful. Ladies, I went last night to Empty Bowls. Well, it would have been a little bit ago, but that is one of our
fundraisers.
Yes, that we sponsor every year. So this is our act of kindness for Lousje Bean for 2026, celebrating our 20th year anniversary. So we sponsored the bowl table. So our logo was there. So when you came to pick your bowl, you saw our Lousje Bean. Yeah. And then we donated gift certificates to the store for the silent auction. So it's a wonderful fundraiser here in Niagara. So it's for Bethlehem House, which now has been changed to, they changed their name.
Oh.
They announced it last night.
Really?
To Second Story.
Second Story?
Second Story housing. So they
wow.
said it is like, she was very emotional and she did a wonderful speech, or she must be one of the women who runs.
Yeah.
So she said that the second story was, you live on the second floor, really, right?
Yeah.
Like you sleep on the second floor and whatever, but then everybody has a second story to tell. So Bethlehem Housing now, Second Story, is they fundraise for affordable housing.
Yeah.
And we saw the Better Neighborhood sign on the
really?
There. Yeah, so that's
Glenn's business.
Glenn's business. He must sponsor something for the housing.
He
in
does,
Niagara. And so Ruby pointed it out. There was a logo there.
Wow, you
so
have to tell him.
It was a wonderful event. But what they do is local potters can donate bowls, and then you buy a ticket to go. You get to pick a piece of pottery, and then you use that bowl throughout the evening to go to different stations from different restaurants, and they have different soups on, and then you get a little sample, and then you can wash your bowl out and get another sample, and then you have to vote. And Niagara College won again.
Get out.
Yeah, they won last year.
Last year, yeah.
And then Willow Pastries from Niagara on the Lake does the dessert.
Oh, yeah.
And Delaterre donates the bread. So we had, Ruby was in heaven because we had wonderful sourdough bread on the table. And she was just like going to town. But it was really fun.
I said, are you looking forward to it yesterday? She said, not really. Soup is not my thing.
No, I know, but I said to her,
she found something.
Yeah, she loved it. It was really fun. And we saw a lot of people we knew, and I saw a lot of beautiful customers there, lovely ladies. And it was a great night.
And you got some nice bowls.
And we got 2 nice bowls. Yeah. So that is our act of kindness. One of our 20 acts of kindness this year.
How many do we have to go?
We still have quite a few to go, Mom. We have to do some Friday favorites where we're going to help out at the community care, or we got to go walk some dogs.
Pick up garbage.
We can go pick up garbage. I have a good one that I keep wanting to take a picture of myself. I always shop at Freshco. And you get a scene card, right, to get points. So I use the scene card to get points. And then they always say, oh, do you want like $10 off your groceries? And I always grab a donation bag for the food drive there, a big bag for community care that's worth $10. And I do buy it often on its own, which I know you do too. Yeah. But I always think like those points are free and the $10 is free. So I always just grab a donation bag and put it in the bag. So that's a good act of kindness.
There you go.
We do, I do want to do, we have to donate blood, which a lot of women reached out, well, a few women reached out and said that it is there.
Well, they've changed it.
Oh, okay. So I did see, and we can book it online. So that's good. Okay. What about what we're wearing?
Well, listen, I should have that scarf.
Yeah,
no,
I think it's, I know it does look like, I'm pretty casual. I thought Cut Loose because we're opening Cut Loose. Yeah. And this is such a darling t-shirt, ladies, from Cut Loose. I absolutely love it. We have it also in the blue. But this is the pink salt.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Nice cap sleeve. And then I put on, this is an oldie goldie from Love's Pure Light that we got back in. You have it.
I wish I did.
Oh, you lost it?
I left it in a hotel a few years ago.
Oh, well, we just restocked them.
Well, thank the Lord. When I saw it, I thought, oh, hallelujah.
Yeah, no, we just restocked them.
It was one of my favorites.
I know, it is beautiful.
And it's
the zebra.
Yeah, the zebra.
With the
It's
polka
so
dot.
cute.
I know.
Oh my God, it was really one of the first ones we got from Sydney.
Yes.
So probably 10 years ago.
Yeah.
They are with her, yeah. So anyway, I'm thrilled.
Yeah,
Thrilled.
no, beautiful.
Yeah.
And then what do I have? Oh, I did split the white ball.
Yeah,
Simple.
lovely.
Yeah, and then the jeans, these are wonderful. These are the Liverpool Slim.
Yeah.
But they're slim, they're not skinny, like.
Not skin tight,
yeah, so
which I love.
Yeah,
I love
and they have a
that.
nice stretch, ladies.
Yeah.
And then I'm wearing a size 10 actually in these. They're a little bit big. I could probably go down, but they feel nice.
Yeah. So.
And you? Oh.
Chris has. Beautiful.
Oh, isn't it beautiful? That color is stunning.
This color and the fabric and everything, little cap sleeve. You styled this, right? Didn't you?
Mm-hmm. Kate put the jacket with it. I asked her to do the, because Lousje's not feeling too great.
No,
so,
I'm a little sniffly.
So I brought her an outfit.
Yeah.
Kate put these are new jackets in from Liverpool, beautiful, that we got a few weeks
Really
ago.
nice wash, right? Beautiful. Yeah. And yeah, what earrings she did. Oh, sorry Cleo. Beautiful. I feel great.
Beautiful.
Well, that
all right.
was a long preamble.
I know. Sorry, ladies, but that was a wonderful story.
Sitting at home like tap tap.
What's in the box?
Okay.
So this is our last shipment from Cut Loose for spring, and then I think we get a summer. I think. I'm so bad.
We always do.
Yeah. So this is our last shipment for spring, and
Yeah.
then we get the summer fabrics.
Exactly.
But it's beautiful. I can't wait. We kind of curated some beautiful outfits that we're going to style up for you tomorrow. So that'll be exciting.
Yeah.
Ready? First of all, I'm very excited. I don't know where to start. Should I start with the shells or the layers? Because we got some shells and layers.
Shells.
Okay, shells. All right. We have, Cut Loose does a wonderful.
Color.
I know. Cut Loose does a wonderful shift dress, ladies.
Yeah.
So this is it in turquoise.
We had it last year, right?
I think so.
Yeah, we did.
It might have been longer. So this one is like just for the knee.
Love.
Yeah, beautiful.
Look at this big center top stitch.
Yeah.
Talk about the color.
I know.
This is a color for everyone.
I know.
I think, right?
I think, yeah. So why don't I open up what goes with this?
Yeah,
How about that?
let me hold it.
So that is the dress.
Tessa, this too, right? This.
I know.
The neckline.
I know.
It's
so beautiful. So then we got this. This is our favorite sweater, me and Lucia's from Cut Loose.
Yeah, I have two.
I know.
Yeah.
I have a black one. It is wonderful.
My.
We should probably order some black ones. But we are doing our outfits here. So this is the first color that we chose. So that is an amazing layering look.
I love this look.
Isn't that great?
Yeah.
Isn't that wonderful? So try and guess the next colors because we always do two colors.
Fuchsia. Ah! Oh, wow.
It's a blue,
my,
blue
Tessa,
red.
that's my colorette.
I know. It's stunning. What do they call it? Cherry red.
Yeah.
So that.
Wonder what they call this one. Riviera.
Oh, Riviera.
What a lovely name.
I know. They do have great names, Cut Loose.
Yeah, I love
colors. So that is a stunning red. That dress on its own, ladies.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. It'd be amazing. And
Don't tell me there's
a, yeah.
Oh,
had to.
God. But this is a different shape.
No, what do you mean?
It's
No,
the same
sweater.
shape.
Yeah, the same sweater.
Oh,
yeah, same
goodness.
shape as the sweater.
Oh,
Pocket sweater.
Mamma mia.
Now, sometimes this is a classic for Cut Loose. And if you ever see a price difference, ladies, it's because of the fabric. So this fabric for them is a much more expensive fabric. It's so beautiful. Gorgeous. Eh?
Gorgeous.
All right. So next shell. So we always do so well with their skirts every year. We did the skirt with the thicker band last year, but they had a new one. And I thought, how cute is this?
This color.
I know. So sorry, that's the back. This is the front. So it's got some frayed details here.
Yeah, open seams.
Yeah, and the bottom, look at, is the knit jersey.
That knit that curls up.
Curls up. So this is the pink salt. So this would match my little tee here.
Yeah.
So you could wear that as well.
So many things you could wear with this.
And we have, we'll show a picture of it here. We have the bias tank top, Mom, remember? The bias tank top in pink salt.
Oh, really?
Yes, so you can wear the bias tank, ladies,
oh,
if you already
that's
have
amazing.
With this.
Oh, my.
And then one of our other favorites to go with it, which we brought back.
Ah, the little box. It's too
little
cute for words.
I know. So I'm going to style this up for you tomorrow, ladies, with the tank top.
With the underneath,
the bias
so that
underneath,
it sticks out,
yeah,
and
then
this
that,
over
and
top.
it's such a beautiful outfit.
Oh my God!
But even this
And
on
I
its
love
own with
fittings.
jeans, with just a little black tank top and jeans,
white linen pants,
white linen pants,
black, gray,
it's fabulous,
beautiful on gray too.
Yeah.
Oh, I love
this. Isn't that a winner?
This is a winner.
Or if you want to be cash, ladies, and you're at the cottage, or you're just
Mama mia.
Look at this too, which will be fabulous.
Oh, and so I love this fabric too from them.
So that is this fabric here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
So that's such a beautiful outfit.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
And just like a long drop necklace or a good scarf, and you're all set.
Pink salt. Yeah.
Yeah, pink salt.
Wow.
So this is the one size tee that we had in a few weeks ago.
This is one size, right?
Yeah. Well, free size,
Free size,
and it's a cotton linen. And it's beautiful.
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 Nice slits.
Yeah. And then, last but not least, we did this cutie patootie.
Oh my gosh.
We love this fabric.
Yeah.
So this is in the pocket sweater, the little crop, and now this is a new style for us.
A little vest.
A little, yeah.
Yeah.
How adorable.
How adorable is this?
And the white over the pink. Or, I could even be wearing like my black tee.
Totally.
Everything.
Totally.
It's a great show.
Yeah.
It fits wonderful.
Here with this.
Anything.
With the turquoise.
And it has a little black slub in there, ladies, like a weave of black.
A little black grayish.
And this one as well. They have a black base.
Oh, it's adorable. You know what I love? I love how they finished it. With this quite thick little, finish. It's adorable. It's beautifully made. Beautiful.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Yeah.
I can't wait. We can't wait to style them up tomorrow. So we always do 2 colors, as you know, mostly. So we did pink, and then we did navy.
Is that what it's called, navy?
Well, Cut Loose calls it something else. Navel.
Navel. Oh, that's cute.
Navel. So same skirt as the pink salt.
Yeah.
So again, maybe you can see the details a bit better here.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
It's so cute.
But look, Tessa, all of these,
could go too.
Totally.
And even the white over the white navy is so beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
But we did
endless combinations.
But we did this one in navy to go.
Oh, beautiful. Oh my goodness. That's another color that is gorgeous. I would think every one of you lovelies.
Yeah,
right?
And even like over any black dress or anything, it's cotton, ladies. Yeah. It's beautiful. It is so cute.
Adorable.
Can't wait to style these up for you.
No, I can't wait either.
And then to brighten it up a little with the navy, I know you love this combination. We did. Yeah. Chartreuse.
Love.
One size.
Love.
Free size, just to go. And if you want to cash it up a bit.
How fun is that?
Amazing. And then you could have some accessories on top to pick up the navy.
Rachel.
Yeah.
Something is calling you.
Rachel, what did she come in for the other day? We did the Boris video and the dress.
Oh, with all the pockets?
No, like the...
the gatherings.
The gatherings. Oh my God, she tried it on and it looked fabulous. And she said, why are you not wearing your glasses in your videos?
Good point, Rachel.
And she said, stop showing nice things because then I have to come in and shop.
Rachel,
so she bought the dress. It looked fabulous. And I said, she has this like in neon of our boxy top from Lousje Bean. Yeah. I said to her, Rachel, that over the black dress, like stunning.
I did a little video with Rachel because she went from dark brown hair, kind of reddish. She let it go into gray. She's got a beautiful color gray, silver gray. So she had to kind of change her wardrobe, which a lot of you have had to do after COVID, right?
Yeah.
But this color would never have looked nice on her, but now it's stunning.
So ladies, Rachel, if you didn't watch the previous videos, is the owner and the founder of Personal Optical in St. Catharines by Pendale. We just went recently and got stocked up on some new glasses, which she's right. I don't normally wear my glasses in the video. I normally have them in my office, but Lousje, you need to.
Well, I wear them all day. You know that, all day and every day. But with the changing and everything.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah. So one more to add in that can go with the navy, but also just an amazing basic.
Oh,
the little tank, but in black.
Tessa, they hit it out of the park with these two little camis.
I know. They're stunners.
Yeah.
They're great.
Imagine this with a white shirt with the collar up.
Oh my goodness. You'll have to style
You know, with jeans.
Yeah.
Or
beautiful.
white linen pants, you name it.
Beautiful.
I will style it. Well, lovelies.
All right.
How about that for treasure box?
So we have all the sizing online uploaded. We put our fit tips in just so you know, just to feel at the sizes. But if you have any questions, please let us know. And please hit a thumbs up to our video. It does help us reach our content to more beautiful women like you.
And thank you for watching, as always. So much fun to show this to you. And I just want to talk about sizing because I'm wearing, this is an extra small jeans jacket.
Okay.
If you don't like it too tight, it's tight on me, but I like it. Then go to a small, go up a size. And I'm wearing an extra small in the beautiful creaseless dress.
Yeah, and then I have extra small in the cut loose top. Fits great, nice and roomy here. And then the 10 in the jeans.
Yeah.
Watch out tomorrow for styling. We're going to style this.
Oh my goodness. Yes, watch out, lovelies, tomorrow for styling. I can't wait. Okay, see you tomorrow. And as always, keep on smiling.